these two upper cabinets come out. They're gonna get another pantry, stand-up pantry cabinet with an upper to match that one. A new corner cabinet, or another blind corner cabinet with a 9-inch, and then
a 9-inch what?
Cabinet.
Okay.
And then another one upper cabinet up there.
And it'll all have a nice countertop. And this will be pantry. And it was a laundry room. Okay. And you guys installed these cabinets to begin with a while back.
Yes.
Got it. Yep. Awesome.
Yeah.
Stackable washer and dryer are going to go into this master bathroom, right? And what this does is give them easy access to laundry inside their master suite, but then it also took this laundry out of what they want as a new pantry area.
Correct.
Yeah. Got it. So this will be put in today?
No, this will be put in after the cabinets are installed tomorrow.
Oh, there's going to be cabinets here.
Yeah.
Here on the left side?
Yeah, there'll be a base cabinet and an upper.
A base and an upper cabinet. Great.
Yes.
Cool. Oh, and it'll have a countertop there too? Oh, awesome.
Yeah, that countertop will match the same countertop that's going to be in the pantry area.
Cool.
We put a access panel in here from the toilet room to the back side of the laundry area.
What would the access panel be for?
Check for leaks and make sure the dryer is connected properly. Because once you slide it back in that hole, there's no access because there's 2 walls on each side.
So basically for future, making sure that you can easily
once we hook everything up, then we can slide it back in and check for leaks and everything.
Okay. So the homeowner would also like to get rid of or replace this cabinet?
This marble countertop.
The countertop, marble countertop, because they're getting a new countertop over here.
Yeah. So
and they want them to match. But they just really probably like the style that they chose for the...
Yeah, they chose the quartz over.
They chose quartz over marble. Okay. So they will get all of this countertop replaced as well.
Yes. Yeah.
Great. So then you're saying they also have to take the mirror out?
To do this countertop, we've got to take this mirror out.
Oh.
Because the mirror sits on top of this backsplash.
Got it.
We also have to take this cabinet down so they can replace the countertop. And then once the countertop's reinstalled, we can reinstall this cabinet. We're going to do an individual mirror instead of a big mirror.
Oh, okay. They're going to replace the mirror then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't reuse plate glass mirrors like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Anything else in here?
No.
Okay.
That's it.